Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up a new account in William Hills. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser and a default search engine. Then search William Sign Up. From there, go to the first result that shows up or go to www.williamhills.com. It will then take you to the official website of William Hills. From there, from the top right corner, click to join. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen. From there, manually fill in your personal details. Then enter your email address. Then enter your mobile number. Then enter your postal address. Then click to continue. There, enter your username. Then create a username. Then create a password with at least of 8 characters with a combination of lowercase letter, uppercase letter, symbols and numbers. Then enter your security question. Then enter your answer your question. Choose set your weekly deposit limit. Then click to agree and join. Then you should be able to sign up a new account to William Hills. This is how you can sign up a new account in William Hills. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.